Welcome to the Touch Panel Basic Operation Guide. Begin by pressing the Start button. Select the input device on the left, and then the projector display at the top. Choose Laptop if you are using your own computer. In Settings, you can control the room display and the projector screen. Press the mute button to quickly turn off the display. Other devices include the document camera, Blu-ray player, and ShareLink. The volume controls are located on the right side of the touch panel. You can also mute the audio. Press the question mark button if you want more information about a particular device. When you are finished, press the power down buttons on the touch panel. If you have any questions, please contact SIXTech@uncg.edu.